Asuntoskeyhtiö Lahden Kaarikulma.
It was amazing today on the and rare with the pop-out fixtures today on the 20th of July 2023. Here's Pihtikatu 10 stickers A. We have just filmed the stickers B here. It's here in Liipola, Lahti, Finland. And the capacity is 4 persons at 320 grams.
It also has the red B button.
For the main floor here, that's really rare.
Yeah.
It was built in 1969, but here you cannot see it as your number on it. Right. It's really hard to see it.
Yeah.
No, but it's probably the one digit less than the other one.
Yeah.
And there's the case B. Turning 55 is all the next year, 2024. 8 floors here. I guess these 4 bursts are 20 grams. I love the sounds in here. It's
Same.
very amazing. What was the serial number in this thing, by the way?
I'm not sure.
We can check that
Yeah,
some serial
sitten
number.
eteenpäin väiskytät meitä eteenpäin Kone.
Or maybe you could have checked on your mobile phone what is your USB B. Well, they are still filming, so that I can say it. Maybe, if that's possible. No. Please. Or, I mean, if it's possible. If it's still too hard for you.
Yeah, 17281.
Yeah. So then it's 17282 here. So it's
Yeah.
B. Or no,
Art is A, but
so then it's the 0.
yeah.
Last digit here. It usually is, but it probably is.
Yeah.
Yeah, or it could be 2,
Yeah,
but it's one of those.
Yeah.
And then you can press them down. That's it, Maker. I helped you a little bit.
That's